Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Harshita Mehra from CSIT department and my topic is Windows Service in CH. So what is Windows Service? Windows Service are non-UI software applications that runs in the background. Windows Service usually start when an operating system boots and is scheduled to run in the background to execute some tasks. Windows Service can also be started automatically or manually. You can also manually pause, stop, and restart Windows Service. Windows Service is a common program that runs in the background to execute some tasks. Some example of Windows Service are auto update of Windows, check emails, print document, SQL Server agent, file and folder scanning, indexing, etc. If you open your task manager and click on service tab, you will see hundred of service running on your machine. You can also see the status of these service. Some service are running, some have paused, some have stopped, and you can start, stop, pause a service from here by right click on the service. Now we will create Windows service in CH. First, we will open Visual Studio, then click on File, New, and select a project. Next, select a new project from dialog box and select Windows Service and click OK button. After that, we will go Visual CS Window Desktop, Windows Service and give an appropriate name, then click OK. And now we will see the below screen will appear in our service. Then we have to right click on blank area and select Add Installer. After adding installer, project installer will add to our project and project installer.cs file will open. Now right click on blank area and select view code. It has a constructor which contains the initialize component method. The initialize component method contains the logic which creates and initialize the user interface object dragged on the forming surface and provide the property grid of form designer. Now we will select the initialize component method and press F12 key to go to the definition and add these lines in our code. Now we will open Visual Studio and select the initialize component and go to the definition. And now we will open service1.cs and in service1.cs we will implement a timer code to call the service at a given time. Then we will create a text file and write the correct time in the text file using the service. Here is our code. Now we will rebuild it. After rebuilding, we will open command from run as administrator. After that, we will paste this command in our command prompt. Then we will open our source folder, go to the bin, then debug, and then copy the path. After copying the path, we will again go to the command prompt and enter install util.exe and paste our path. Then press enter. And here our transacted install has complete. Now we will press window plus R. Here we have to type services.msc and OK. Now we will see our service. So here is our service. My first service.demo. Now we will start. So here it shows running. Now our Windows service has created. Thank you.